Hi traders, greetings. So today is 25th of May 2020. We have just entered to the market of E Mini S&P futures 500. So June contract 2020. So based from my live Telegram channel, I did mention that we have a buy call at 2985.75 and expected for the price to rise until 2993, which is the resistant price level. You can see this red line on my screen over here. So we just entered the market. So on my left chart is the mini S&P. So my right hand side is the micro S&P futures 500. So based from the current situation, for the both are still in the minus territory, still minus. Okay, let's wait, and for the target still remain at 2993.75. So today we have I believe in USA a bit of a holiday, if I'm not mistaken, and the very lack of volume, very small volume today, 140k or about 150k, hardly to reach 200k of volume for today. So normally the price, the volume already reached 300, 400 or 600 or even 1 million on the normal current rate. It's so it's same target still remain at 2993, and let's wait patiently whether this will be a good trade for us today or not. While waiting, and I am adding another 4 more lots for micro account, which is make it 10 lots of micro, which is equal to 1 lot mini S&P of $1.50 US dollar profit. So the reason I'm doing for micro account is I can exit partially, or maybe just to let a partial quantity remain. Alright, we just enter for this micro account. Let's wait and see. Okay, so both already in the market, so we have nothing else. So based from the stop loss as well, about 76. Okay, so we have to keep in mind once the price reverse back to 76, then better exit the market. So based from my current indication for Russell over here, Nasdaq 100 and S&P all remain bullish, except for Russell. There's a sell signal somewhere here, and still not yet activate. It's just a signal but not yet activate. Now waiting for the bullish signal for Russell. But for Nasdaq, the price already fly through and working towards on the higher side. Okay, for S&P, yes, we have a buy signal a while ago at 5:45 a.m. in the morning New York time. So now the price keep remain a bit sideways movement, but on the higher side, keep remain to make a new higher high. This one is higher low now, become that this one will become higher high. So any moment the price will hopefully will explode to the upper side. So still negative at this moment, so be patient. This normal during the beginning of the trading, so please watch this video to the end. So there is a lot of link in description below, might be helpful for you guys to use during your trading time. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and feel free to click on the link below. Thank you, and we pause for a while and resume later on. Please watch this video to the end, so you will know that this will be a good trade or not. Alright traders, resume back again. So based from the current situation, market did move slow because of the holiday in USA, but apparently the current condition will still on our side. We have both recorded profit for micro account as well as the mini S&P futures account. So this indication description over here, so you can see that mini account as well, the micro account. So both we already in the good hand at this moment, and need to exit as early as possible, because market might not stay longer on the higher side, perhaps because I believe the market will close early today. I've missed this information. Okay, so let's hope everything will be fine, and we are about 6 points before the TP targeted price level, which is over here, but the volume is really slow at this moment, and the best is to exit whenever we have the opportunity to do so. But let's wait for maybe 1 hour to see whether there's another push up on the higher side. So based from my indication as well, market might go for bullish, and as well Russell already received one buy call signal, and for S&P still maintain the same signal, as well as Nasdaq 100. But for crude oil, unfortunately, it was very horrible condition, so even my indicator cannot detect a good entry for this one because of lack of volume, and today is holiday in USA. Alright, so back to the platform, and we can see that the jump on the price, so $200 in profit was a good one, a good play for the mini S&P with 2 lots position size. So we expected to have around 400 600 should be a good target as well. So be patient on this one. I will pause this recording and resume later on. I don't want the video to be too long for you guys to watch it. Okay, we'll resume later on. Traders, seems like a bit hard for us, so I have sent out a signal to my subscribers that there will be a lack of volume on the market, and to exit now, which is a good idea because we already profit, which is around 3 points or 4 points ahead of the entry level, and hopefully everyone take this advice. But from our current situation, we stayed in the good position of the profit targeted both market for micro econ as well for this both econ micro econ as well for the mini S&P futures econ. Everything seems in a good hand at this moment. So in total 342, yeah, about that. Keep rising. 380. I think for mini S&P, if try to go higher, which is also quite good, I think I will exit S&P first, the mini account, and let the micro run to the higher side. Hopefully that's the strategy, and that's how some play of the money management as well. So 89 will be my target, so I will revise my TP. I think this one don't have, so I will exit at 89 with 2 position of the S&P. Alright, so let's wait. Hopefully we'll hit this one. So if hit, then I will have a good 4 points, about $400 from the mini S&P futures. So let's wait patiently. Alright, the focus now is more on our focus is more on the mini S&P, which is this account, this left chart over here. So we will exit our position at 89, immediate exit, because of the market will close early today, I think around 12 Chicago time. Oh, seems like the market tried to reverse back. Is it? So let's take a look. Still looks healthy for me. Yeah, very poor crude oil. Okay, so let's go back. We don't want to lose any position. It's a bit hard at this moment for this current situation, and we don't know what should we do. But the best is we already in profit, and to exit at best possible. Any market should be a good one. Maybe a small profit for today should be justified, and not really hurt our PNL as well, because as long you are still in positive, then looks good overall. So no stress, and for the next round tomorrow there is still another chance or opportunity for US market during a session as well. So got 2 more minutes before this candle to end. Hopefully this will not be a red candle. I'm expecting for a spike to the higher side, but things might take longer than expected. Okay, doesn't look good. I think I will just cut my position loose. Go flat for both. I will It's not much. I think around 300 today for both market. Any chance for it to rise up? Alright, so guys, we will exit immediately for this position. Okay, that's it. We exit the market. Alright guys, that's it. We forcefully exit the market because of this lack of volume and bit uncertainty of the market, because based from this could be the market might go for the high, but because of the early close of the market today, so there's more likely that the market will have not the best situation for our trading, and we just end up with 175 in profit. And now it start to move. Am I in the wrong situation? But yep, that's it. And a protect and a bit profit, small profit for today, but should be a good one. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. There's a lot of link below in the description. Feel free to click on it. Thank you. Bye bye.